guys, this is Bonnie from Keto Lifestyle 50 Plus, and today I am going to make a special, something I've never done before. So I'm going to try to do a warm crab and artichoke dip. Now, you know, they ask for certain ingredients on this can here, but I'm going to switch it up just a little bit. You know, I got the cream cheese artichoke hearts. I don't have fresh thyme, so I'm going to use my own seasoning I have here. I don't have any chives, so I'm going to use what I got here. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to combine everything in this bowl. 16 ounces of cream cheese, 2 eggs, 8 ounces. This is 14 ounces, but I'm probably use half of this jar of the marinated artichokes, some salt, some pepper, and some of this. This is a great seasoning. I love this seasoning. And some baking powder. We're going to get that rolling, and then we're going to blend it all together. Okay, here I have my chopped garlic and my chopped artichoke. So in this bowl, I have 2 bricks, I call them bricks, cream cheese. I got some baking powder, salt and pepper, and 2 eggs. And I'm going to combine all of this together in this bowl. I mix it real slow, because these are some really big, huge chunks. Oh, yeah. Okay, here's that wonderful crab meat. Get in there. And I'm going to fold all of that in. Okay. Fold it in. Not too hard. Just folding in that crab meat. Smells delicious. Yum. And make sure everything is incorporated. Take your time in doing it. Make sure it's all folded in. Okay, and I put it in this oven-proof dish, and I'm going to put it in the oven at 350 and let it bake for 25 to 35 minutes. Okay, you guys, here she is. This looks so delicious. And I'm trying to find my plate. Here it is. Yes. Now I just pulled her out the oven. That was in there for about a good 35 minutes. I like the edge. I like the... Ooh, look at that steam coming up. Now that's good. That's good. And you know, I got my crackers. They didn't have the other regular rosemary crackers. These are simple Mills. But I got these crackers. Yeah, this is good. Wow, it's real good. Well, this is my warm crab artichoke dip. If you like this recipe, I will post it and I will leave it there in the link. This is Bonnie from Keto Lifestyle 50 Plus. I'm going to enjoy this. Bye.